Aries, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Check out my LinkTree. Link is in the bio. I do have some special treats there for you. Your word of the day is faithfulness. Consistency is key. Lock in and do not stop. Continue every day to be your best. Make sure that you're making big, medium, or small steps towards your goal. As long as you do not stop, consistency is key. You started. And the key to you actually getting your blessing is making sure that you show up every single day. I commit to my mind, heart, and will, and I'm devoted to the needs of my soul. I trust myself in God and in the universe. The plants that you water on a daily basis are the ones that are going to blossom for you. So the plants that's blossoming for you right now, lock in, water it every day, and get ready for breakthrough. Love one another, be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.